Hi everyone, I hope that you all are good and fine. So in today's session we will solve question number 2 of same exercise 12.1. okay, in question number 2 first we will see the first segment. Okay, in question number 2 it has been divided into two segments, segment number 1 and segment number 2. So first we will see the very first segment. The very first segment is stating to identify the terms and their factors in the following expressions. Then it is saying show the terms and factors by tree diagram. ठीक है, whatever the expressions that has been given in the segment, upcoming segment, we have to identify the terms from there, and then we have to identify the factors from there, and then we have to show them by using tree diagram. So the question is very easy, students. So we will solve one by one. A is x minus 3. The given first segment is x minus 3. okay, so here we know, students, that in this expression x minus 3 we are having the terms x and 3. One term is x, another term is 3. okay, and here we are having the factors also as x and 3 only. okay, so if we have to show by tree diagram, here we will show x and here we will show 3. So this is nothing but called as tree diagram. okay, this is algebraic expression. This is one term, this is another term, this is one factor, this is another factor. okay, moving to next segment, segment number B, students. B is 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square. okay, now if you will break this, students, then here it will come 1, here it will come x, and here it will come x square. Now if you will see, 1 is in the simplest form. You cannot break this x also, as it is in simplest form. But if you will see this x square, then you can break it into two parts. That is, here you will get x and here you will get again x, because x into x makes x square. okay, now moving to next segment, segment number C, students. It is y minus y cube. Y minus y cube. Y minus y cube. Here y is one term, y minus y cube is another term. So if you will break them, students, then here you will get y, here you will get minus 1, and here you will get y cube. okay, or you can, no, it will not come here minus 1. okay, because after that it will become 3 terms. So here it will come minus y cube. okay, now if you will see, this y is already in the simplest form. okay, then coming to next, here we are having minus 3y. so if you will break it, then you will get here minus 1, then here you will get y, then here you will get again y, and then here you will get again y. okay, why? Because y raised to power 3 is there, so y multiplied 3 times, and here minus sign is there, so minus 1. So minus 1 into y minus 1 into y will give you minus y square, then minus 1 into y will give you minus y cube. okay, moving to next segment, D segment, students. okay, here the given expression is 5xy square plus 7x square y. okay, so if you will break this expression, then here you will get 5xy square, and here you will get 7x square y. now if you will break it further, students, then here you will get 5, here you will get x, and here you will get y square. if you will break this one, then here you will get 7, then here you will get x square, and here you will get y. ठीक है, now if you will see, this 5 and x are in simplest form. This y can be splitted further. So if you will break this y, then here you will get y, and here also you will get y. now here if you will see, students, then 7 and y are in simplest form. So this x can be broken further. So here it will give you x, and then here also it will give you x. Now it is in the simplest form, and it is the tree diagram of the D segment. Now moving to next segment, E segment, students. In E segment we are having minus ab, then plus 2b square minus 3a minus 3a square, minus 3a square. Okay, so if you will break it students, then here you will get minus ab, here you will get 2b square, and here you will get minus 3a square. Okay, now if you will break this one students, then here you will get minus 1, here you will get a, and here you will get b. Okay, you have to maintain here equal distance so that it will look beautiful students, है ना. So here suppose is a. Now if you will break this one, then here you will get 2, here you will get b. Okay, here you will get b square. Okay, suppose I am breaking it from here. Now if you will break this one students, then here minus 1, then not minus 1 but minus 3, and then here you will get a square. Now coming from here students, it is in simplest form, it is in simplest form, this one is also in simplest form. Now this one is in simplest form, b square can be splitted further, so you can split this as b and then again b. Okay, this 3 is in simplest form, this a square can be splitted, so split it as it will give you a, and then again it will give you a. Okay, so this is your tree diagram of all the segment of first segment question students of question number 2. Okay, so I hope that you might have understood, and thank you for connecting with me.